toolbox with all the stickers for bike maintenance, junk, fluids, whatnot. Got a repair stand mounted on the top. However, I travel a lot, and I tend to take my tools and just put them in these totes. Well, I decided to get these T-stack toolboxes on a portable stand, and it wasn't that much. Everything I have here, minus one more box that's coming, a big drawer box, was like $207. Not bad at all. These things are solid. So I'm just testing it out, test run here. I got my X wrenches, torque wrenches, sockets, more wrenches, torque wrench, soap, all that stuff. I don't know what I'm putting in here, but that'll probably be my small parts like that. But and even this can, you know, be used as a little workstation here. I'll put the park tool mat on there, and of course the only one I can't access is this one here, and I've got all my big parts in there, my pullers and everything. So here, to see how easy this is. Haven't done it yet. Pop, pop, and I made sure I got the big handle on top. Pull that off, and then this is the other option for the little handle. This wasn't going to be on top, I went for the little handle. So yeah, this one here has the tote with all my bottom bracket wrenches and pushers and pullers, and then some more pushers, pullers, Chris King specific parts in that box there, hub parts, just all the big stuff, grease gun, hammers. Perfect. I have another one that I'm going to add to it. Yeah, it's just going to be for the fluids. So, yeah. And the nice thing is you can take all those apart and stack them flat. So I basically make one layer in the back of my Jeep and put stuff on top of it when I travel. So, and then having that rolling stand really adds. Let's see here, line that up. Boom. Done. That thing rolls nice. Again, it does have a lock on it, I do believe. Yeah, back wheels have a lock. Alright, that's all I got. Basically everything that goes in here is going in there.